Knowledge Bandara, an animated video presenting the world's best-selling books. Our journey kicked off from Bangalore and we embarked on a week-long road trip covering various temples across South India. We departed around 4 p.m. with our first stop being Madurai, approximately 450 km away from Bangalore. It took us about 8 hours to reach our first destination. The Madurai Meenakshi Temple, constructed in the 16th or 17th centuries, holds a significant place in Hindu mythology. Legend has it that Lord Shiva, disguised as Sundareshwar, came to Madurai to marry Meenakshi, the daughter of Pandya ruler. Meenakshi was believed to be an incarnation of goddess Parvati. The temple is a grand structure surrounded by towering walls, adorned with intricately decorated gopuras or gateway towers. These gopuras are renowned for their vibrant paintings depicting various divinities, celestial beings, monsters, guardians, and animals. The 1,000-pillar mandapam is regarded as the wonder of the palace. There are around 985 beautifully decorated columns. Each pillar is beautifully sculptured and presents the glory of the Dravidian sculpture. Later that day, we journeyed to Rameswaram, situated on Pamban Island, which is distinct from the mainland of India. It is merely 40 km from Mannar Island in Sri Lanka. The Pamban Bridge links Mandapam on the Indian mainland to Rameswaram on Pamban Island, India's inaugural sea bridge. It debuted on February 24, 1914. Subsequently, a road bridge, the Annai Indira Gandhi Road Bridge, was built in 1988, parallel to the road bridge, connecting the national highway to Rameswaram Island. In Rameswaram, our initial destination was Dhanushkoti, located southeast of Pamban and approximately 24 km west of Talaimannar in Sri Lanka. Following the devastating 1964 Rameswaram cyclone, the town was annihilated and remains deserted to this day. Afterward, we stopped by the Kodandarama Temple, where we witnessed the floating stone and offered our prayers. Following that, we visited the iconic Ramanathaswamy Temple, one of the 12 Jyotirlinga temples. Legend has it that Rama, the seventh avatar of God Vishnu, sought absolution for any sins committed during his war against demon king Ravana by praying to Shiva here. Additionally, it is believed that Lord Rama carried 22 arrows in his quiver. Visitors can receive blessings from water of the 22 wells located in the corridor of Arilmigu Ramanathaswamy Temple and witness the Spatikalinga Darshana offered daily at 5 to 6 am. Afterward, we enjoyed a brief ferry ride to Dhanushkodi, where lucky travelers can catch a glimpse of dolphins. Following this, we ventured to Pamban Bridge for some scenic snapshots before visiting Velundi Tirtham, known for its sweet ocean water and unique ambience. Our last stop was Ramatirtham in Rameswaram. Next, we proceeded to Tirunelveli Nelliyappar Temple, located 250 km south of Rameswaram. Here, Shiva, known as Nelliyappar or Venu Vanantar, is worshipped alongside his consort Parvati, depicted as Kantimati Amman. This temple, also known as Tamra Sabha, is renowned for its association with Shiva's cosmic dance Nataraja. Upon recommendation, we explored Tiruchendur Murugan Temple located on the seashore of Tiruchendur beach. This temple holds significance in the story of Lord Murugan's legendary battle, believed to be the reason for his incarnation. It stands out for housing multiple avatars of both Lord Vishnu and Lord Shiva within its premises, a rare feature among Indian temples. Next, we journeyed to the southernmost tip of India, Kanyakumari. Along the way, we paused near the Mapandal wind farm for some scenic photos before continuing to explore Kanyakumari Temple, Vivekananda Rock Memorial, and the towering Tiruvallar statue. Kanyakumari marks the southernmost tip of Indian subcontinent and mainland India, earning it the nickname the land's end. We enjoyed some leisure time on the Indian Ocean beach where we were treated to breathtaking sunset. Next, we visited the Tanumalayan Temple in Suchindram, our final temple destination. This temple holds specific significance as it is dedicated to Trinity of Lord Shiva, Vishnu and Brahma, making it an important religious site for Hindus. The following day, we began our journey back from Kanyakumari, making a stop along the way to purchase some crackers near Shivakashi. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.